Every morning, it starts the same way. A few hairs on your pillow, a few more in the shower, and before you know it, you're staring at your hairline in the mirror wondering, am I going bald? The truth is, most men don't lose their hair overnight. They lose it because of small daily habits they repeat every single day without realizing the damage they're causing. And if you keep making these mistakes, your future self might regret it. So today, I'm going to show you 5 everyday habits that are secretly destroying your hair and what you should do instead. Let's begin. Number 1. Sleeping with wet hair. Most guys think this is harmless. It's not. When your hair is wet, it's at its weakest state. As you toss and turn during the night, your hair rubs against the pillow, creating friction that weakens the strands and causes breakage. And if you're using a cotton pillowcase, you're making things even worse. Cotton absorbs your hair's natural oils and increases friction. The solution is simple. Dry your hair before bed and switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. It's a small upgrade that can make a big difference over time. Number 2. Using too much hair oil. A lot of people believe more oil equals more hair growth. That's not how it works. Overoiling can leave your scalp greasy, clog follicles, and force you to wash your hair more often. Instead, use only a few drops and massage your scalp for a few minutes before shampooing. One oil that's become extremely popular recently is rosemary oil. Some studies suggest it may help support hair growth when used consistently. But remember, consistency beats quantity. Number 3. Destroying your hair after every shower. Think about what you do after washing your hair. Most people grab a towel and start rubbing aggressively. That single habit can damage your hair more than you think. Wet hair is fragile. Rubbing creates unnecessary breakage and split ends. Instead, gently pat your hair dry. And if you use a blow dryer every day, stop blasting your scalp with high heat. Excessive heat dries your hair and can make it look thinner over time. Use cool air whenever possible. Number 4. Your shampoo might be the problem. Many shampoos contain harsh ingredients that strip away your scalp's natural oils. Sure, your hair feels clean, but it also becomes dry, brittle, and harder to manage. Choose a gentle shampoo that works for your hair type. And here's something most guys don't know. When shampooing, focus on your scalp. That's where dirt, sweat, and oil build up. You don't need to aggressively scrub the ends of your hair. Number 5. Poor nutrition. This is the biggest one. You can buy the best shampoo, the best oil, the best hair products. But if your body isn't getting the nutrients it needs, none of that matters. Hair is mostly made of protein. That's why foods like eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, and lentils are important. Healthy fats from almonds, walnuts, avocados, and seeds also help support a healthy scalp. And don't forget water. Most people underestimate how much hydration affects their skin and hair. Now here's a bonus tip. If your hair loss is becoming noticeable, onion juice is one of the most talked about home remedies. Some studies have shown promising results for certain people. Will it work for everyone? No, but it may be worth trying if you're looking for a natural option. At the end of the day, healthy hair isn't about finding one miracle product. It's about avoiding the habits that slowly damage your hair every day. Fix these 5 mistakes now, and your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more self-improvement and health content.